Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, I recommend you to check the previous episodes. Also, I want to remind you, once the program is finished, you will be able to download and try the program for free. In this episode, I would like to write the code for saving files. Let's begin. Double click on the save button icon. Actually, to save a file, you only need a single line of code. Let's type file.write all text. As you can see, we just need to add a file path and a file content. We can also specify the encoding, but we will do that in one of the upcoming episodes. Let's enter the file path, textbox folder path .text, and I can get the file name from the textbox file name field. I also need to add the file extension .txt. The file content will come from textbox main object, so I just type textbox main.text. Let's run the program and test it. I typed some content and a file name. Now I press the save button, but nothing happens. Let's restart the program. As you can see, after restarting, the file test1 shows up in the list of files. That means I need to refresh the file list after saving. Let's use the read files subroutine I created in one of the previous episodes. So I just type here read files. I start the program again, and while testing I noticed a few issues. First, if a file with the same name already exists, the program simply overwrites the file without notifying the user. Second, I cannot tell whether I click the button or not, so I need to add some animation when interacting with this object. Third, if I forgot to type the file name, the program creates a file without a name and adds it to the list as an empty string. Let's fix that. If textbox file name .text equal nothing, then messagebox.show, enter the name of the file, comma, file name empty, comma, messagebox buttons.ok, comma, messagebox icon.warning. Exit sub. So the program will simply stop executing the code. Okay, next condition, dim res as dialog result. If file.exist, then I will just copy the file path, then res equal messagebox.show the file space, and then I will copy the file name, and after the file extension I will add a space and already exists, and I type a special function that moves the text to a new line. And would you like to rewrite it? Comma, then title file exists, comma, messagebox buttons dot yes no, comma, messagebox icon dot question. Inside this condition I will add another one. If res equal dialog result dot no, then just exit sub. I will launch the program and check if the conditions work correctly. As you can see, the conditions are working properly. Also, I want the program automatically select the saved file. Let's type listbox files dot selected item equal textbox file name dot text. Let's add some interaction effects to the save button. I got a project, TXT Manager properties, then open the resources, and I select audio as a file type. Then click add resource, add existing file, and choose the click sound file I have prepared in advance. Now let's write a few lines of code. my.computer.audio.play parentheses my.resources.click, comma, audio play mode.background. Picture box button save dot back color equal color.blue. Await space task dot delay 50. Picture box button save dot back color equal color dot transparent. Okay, next let's create a mouse enter event for picture box button save. Let's type picture box button save dot back color equal color dot light blue, and also a mouse leave event. Picture box button save dot back color equal color dot transparent. Let's start the program and check it. Okay, everything works great, but I decided to adjust the delay time a little. I changed it to 70 milliseconds. Okay, let's check the program one more time. This time I will lower the background music so you can hear the click sound of the save button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.